Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable channel on all things investment and real estate. We're here to guide you through the labyrinth of property investment, shedding light on real estate trends and providing tips for both seasoned and budding investors. We understand the complexities of property investment, and we're committed to making it more accessible, understandable, and profitable for you. At HouseLux Estate, we believe that knowledge is power, and we're eager to share ours with you. Our channel is a treasure trove of valuable information, all aimed at helping you make informed decisions about your property investments. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or industrial properties, we've got you covered. From exploring emerging real estate markets to understanding the dynamics of property value appreciation, we're dedicated to providing you with all the tools you need to succeed in your investment journey. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep updated with our latest content. Choosing the right investment platform is a crucial step in your investment journey. The platform you select can greatly influence your financial future. It's not just about picking any platform that comes your way. It's about finding one that aligns with your financial goals and investment strategies. The right platform can help maximize your potential returns. It does this by providing a variety of investment options that cater to your risk tolerance and investment horizon. It's like having a well-stocked toolbox. The more tools you have, the better equipped you are to handle any job. Moreover, a good investment platform provides necessary tools and resources. It keeps you informed about market trends, gives you access to expert advice, and offers educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Your investment strategy is unique to you. Therefore, it's paramount to choose a platform that suits your individual investment strategies. Understanding your needs is the first step towards selecting the best investment platform. Before you dive into the sea of investment platforms, you need to understand your investment needs. Let's start by looking at the factors that will help you identify these needs. First off, consider your investment goals. Are you saving for a comfortable retirement, funding your child's education, or perhaps buying a dream home? Your goals will guide the kind of investments that best suit you. Long-term goals might suggest more aggressive investments, while short-term goals may need safer, more liquid options. Next, consider your risk tolerance. This is a measure of your ability to endure potential losses. If the thought of losing some of your investment keeps you awake at night, you probably have a low risk tolerance. On the other hand, if you're comfortable with taking on more risk for the chance of higher returns, you might have a high risk tolerance. It's crucial to balance this with your investment goals. Moving on, let's talk about your investment amount. How much are you planning to invest initially, and how much can you commit to investing regularly? This will influence the types of platforms that will be available to you. Some platforms have high minimum investment requirements, while others are more accessible to those with smaller amounts to invest. Finally, think about your preferred investment types. Do you want to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or a combination of these? Each type of investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, and different platforms may specialize in different investment types. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Your financial situation, lifestyle, and personal preferences will all play a role in defining your investment needs. It's about finding what works for you, not what worked for someone else. With a clear understanding of your investment needs, you can now start looking at the features of various investment platforms. Different investment platforms offer a variety of features. It's essential to find the one that perfectly aligns with your needs. Now, let's dive into the key features you should consider when choosing an investment platform. First up is fees and charges. No investor wants to see their profits eaten up by high costs. Some platforms charge a flat fee, while others take a percentage of your investments. It's important to understand these charges and how they'll impact your returns. Next, consider the types of investments available. Some platforms specialize in stocks and bonds, others in mutual funds, and yet others in real estate or commodities. It's crucial to choose a platform that offers the investment types you're interested in. Then there's the user interface. This might seem trivial compared to other factors, but remember, you'll be using this platform frequently to monitor and manage your investments. Look for a platform that's easy to navigate with clear, understandable information. Customer support is another crucial feature. Investing can be complex, and you might need assistance at some point. Some platforms offer 24/7 support. Others have limited hours. Some provide support via email or chat, while others have a phone line. Consider your own preferences and needs when evaluating this feature. Finally, consider the additional tools and resources the platform offers. This could include educational materials to help you understand investing, tools for analyzing your investments, or even access to professional advice. These extras can make a big difference in your investing experience and success. Remember, the best investment platform isn't necessarily the one with the most features or the lowest fees. It's the one that best meets your unique needs and goals. So take your time, do your research, and carefully consider each feature. Once you have evaluated the features of different platforms, it's time to make a decision. Making the final decision on which investment platform to choose can be daunting, but with the right information, it becomes a lot easier. Let's start with user reviews. It's easy to get caught up in a platform's flashy features or impressive promises, but it's the experiences of fellow investors that truly paint a picture of what you can expect. Take time to read through these reviews, focusing on those that speak to your specific needs and concerns. Look for patterns and consistencies, as these will give you a clearer view of the platform's strengths and weaknesses. Next, you'll want to check out the platform's regulatory compliance. This is crucial, as it provides assurance that the platform operates within the legal boundaries and follows best practices in the industry. Ensure that the platform is registered with the relevant financial regulatory bodies in your country. This information is typically found in the About Us or Legal section of the platform's website, but don't stop there. It's also important to evaluate the platform's track record. How long have they been in operation? Have they weathered any financial storms? Do they have a history of stable returns? While past performance is not a guarantee of future results, a platform with a strong track record is often a good sign. Lastly, consider the platform's customer service. You want a platform that will be there to support you when you need it. Look for platforms that offer multiple ways to get in touch, such as email, phone, and live chat, and have a reputation for responsive and helpful service. As you weigh these factors, remember that no single platform will be perfect. It's about finding the one that best aligns with your investment needs and comfort level. It might take some time and research, but the effort will be well worth it in the end. Remember, the best investment platform is the one that meets all your investment needs. Choosing the right investment platform is a crucial step towards achieving your investment goals. It's akin to picking the right vehicle to get you to your destination. You wouldn't choose a rickety old bicycle when you're aiming to cross a desert, would you? Similarly, the right investment platform can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Over the course of this video, we've taken a deep dive into the world of investment platforms. We've explored the importance of understanding your investment needs. Remember, it's not about what's trending or what your friend is investing in. It's about what works for you, your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. We've also shed light on the features of different investment platforms. There are platforms that focus on stocks and bonds, others that offer a wider array of options like real estate and cryptocurrencies. Some platforms offer robo-advisors, while others provide tools for hands-on investors. It's about finding a platform that offers the right mix of features that cater to your investment style and needs. In deciding on the right platform, we've stressed the importance of careful consideration. It's about weighing the pros and cons, doing your research, and making an informed decision. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. What works for one person may not work for another. So take the time to evaluate your options. Ask questions, seek advice, and don't rush your decision. After all, it's your hard-earned money that you're investing. With these insights in mind, you're well on your way to making an informed decision about the best investment platform for your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos on investment and real estate.